Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my top 5 most important tips to growing long natural hair. So all the 5 tips I'm about to mention, I had to do all these things before growing my hair to how it is now because I used to do all these things wrong and it made my hair stay at like collarbone length for literally like 3 years straight. But as you guys can see, I finally got it together and grew my hair long. So tip number 1 is to not try so many different natural hair products in a short amount of time. So for example, if every single time you're washing your hair, if you're using a different set of products, then from my experience, if I do that, it just causes my hair to break off. And I don't really know why, but my hair likes to just stay on specific products and my hair just does not react well to me trying a bunch of different products on it. So once you find a product that you know really works for you, then I would suggest just sticking to that product or that set of products in your regimen. Like the same shampoo, the same conditioner, same deep conditioner, same leave-in conditioner, same styler, same gel every single time. Because at least for me, 99% of products don't work in my hair, and I think that's why my hair starts to break off if I try a bunch of different products. Because usually if I'm trying a bunch of different products, I'm trying a bunch of different products that don't work. Because only a small percentage of products that I actually buy actually work for my hair. So instead of just trying a new product and realizing it doesn't work, then trying a different new product and realizing it doesn't work, then just stick to the products that you know work. Because for me, if a product doesn't work, that means it's like drying out my hair, making my hair not last in the styles. And then when a product dries out my hair, I'll wash it and then I'll put like, for example, a new leave-in conditioner in it and try out the leave-in conditioner. And then within like 48 hours, my hair will be so dry and brittle. And like, even if it's in a bun, then like when I take it out of the bun, it's like breaking off on the hair elastic because the product dried out my hair so much. And I really need to find out like what ingredients in the products are making that happen to my hair, because a lot of the products that I've recently tried out have done that to my hair. Like they've just dried out my hair so much. So I definitely need to stick to the products that I know keep my hair moisturized for many, many days and don't cause those bad reactions. So definitely stick to products that you know work. And then my next most important tip is if you want your hair to grow long really fast, then I would just keep your hair in moisturized, emphasis on moisturized twists for a long time. Like you could do like mini twists or even like mini braids, and you could leave those in your hair for like a week or 2 weeks, but just make sure that you keep your hair really moisturized when it's in the protective style. And when I was trying to get my hair finally past like collarbone length, then this is what I did a lot. I would just put my hair in twists and then wear the twists in a bun, and I would make sure to keep my hair moisturized in that style, and then that made my hair grow so fast. And then the next tip, which I had to learn the hard way, is that do not wear your hair in dry buns for like many days at a time. And I think we're all guilty of this. When our hair is not presentable wearing it down, then we just put our hair in a bun no matter what it looks like. You could easily just slap some gel on there and make it look really good up in a bun. But the problem with that is that when you fix up the sides of your hair and put it in a bun, then it's still like that dry hair just packaged up in a bun right here. And then while it's in the bun for a long time, then the hair at the crown of your head starts like tangling and breaking off. And as your hair is growing, then it's literally just like the new growth is just like tangling up in the bun. And I had to learn that the hard way because the hair at the crown of my head is way shorter than everything else because I always wear high buns. And even if you don't wear tight high buns, then your hair can still break off in the bun if it's dry. So even though buns are considered protective styling because it's protecting the ends, then it can still break off the hair at the base of the bun. So be careful with buns. And then the next most important tip is to keep your hair clean. So if you wash your hair and you notice that it still has like this dull, like whitish look on your hair, then that's when you know that it's time to clarify your hair and you really need to get whatever is sitting on top of your hair off. And I would recommend like apple cider vinegar rinses or just using a really, really clarifying shampoo if that happens, because that was happening to me for the past like month. Like every single time I washed my hair, no matter, like I was using shampoo, but the shampoo I was using wasn't like that clarifying. It was just like more of like a moisturizing shampoo. So then even when I shampooed my hair, I'd get out of the shower and at the top, like at the roots, it would still be like on the actual hair itself, my hair would look kind of dull and not like shiny. And that's when I knew that I really needed to change my shampoo and use one that would actually like take all that stuff off of my hair. And when your hair is like that, the reason why it can break it off and keep your hair from growing long is because it's easier for the hair at the root to tangle and like get in knots at the top if there's a lot of product buildup, because then it like the product buildup cause it to just like tangle at the top of the hair. And then the only way to get those tangles out is literally just like using an extremely fine tooth comb, which is probably going to end up breaking your hair off in the long run. So make sure that your hair is really clean so that you don't have to get a bunch of knots at your roots and end up breaking your hair in the process of trying to get those knots out. And then the last thing, which is the most important thing that helped me to grow my hair long, is to stop straightening your hair. And I used to straighten my hair so much, and I would always wonder, why is my hair not growing? Why is my hair short? Why has my hair been the same length for 3 years? But I had to learn the hard way that I needed to stop straightening my hair, and that was literally the only thing preventing my hair from growing. Because all the other things I mentioned, you can really like get away with it, like leaving your hair in a bun. You can kind of get away with that. It won't break off your hair that much. Well, it won't break off your hair that much except for at the crown, but you can get away with not clarifying your hair. It can still grow. You can get away with a little bit of breakage from trying products that don't work. But when you straighten your hair like every single month and your hair just keeps breaking and breaking and breaking and breaking, that is going to break off your hair so fast. You're pretty much not going to see any growth because it's just going to stay at the same length. And if you want to grow your hair long, you really just need to stop straightening your hair. I wish it was different because I do love straightening my hair, but straightening your hair and growing long hair, they can't go together. Unless you're just like this extremely professional hair straightener and you just know everything you're doing, which I don't. I'm not a professional in any way, shape, or form. So when I straighten my hair, if I do it more than like once every couple months, it's gonna end in a disaster and my hair is not gonna grow. So guys, that was all my top 5 most important tips to growing long natural hair. So use products that you know work and actually moisturize your hair. Try twist protective styles and make sure to keep the twist moisturized. Don't leave your hair in dry buns for days and weeks at a time. Make sure your hair is clean, and if it's not, make sure to clarify it with apple cider vinegar rinses or really clarifying shampoos, and stop straightening your hair so much. And I'm kind of hypocritical in the last one because I really want to straighten my hair soon, because I haven't straightened my hair since it's almost been a year since I straightened my hair, and I really want to make a curly to straight hair routine video. So comment below if you guys want to see that video, and I'll try not to mess up my hair when I straighten it. Because don't worry, I use heat protectants and make sure my hair's clean and detangled before doing it. So, and also, yeah, the reason why my hair got so broken off when I straightened it in the past, because I did not know what I was doing, but now I'm a lot better at straightening my hair in a healthy way. So don't worry, if I straighten my hair, it's not gonna break it all off. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what you think is most important in growing long natural hair, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more hair care videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.